Welcome to this lecture. My name is Christian, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open and just a walkthrough of Adobe Rush CC. So we're going to go to Creative Cloud. You're going to see here that it finishes installing. We're going to click open, and it's going to open Adobe Rush CC. If you have a Mac and a Windows, it's the same process. Just click open, or if you go to applications, you can find it, or in program files in a Windows. So it's going to open like that, and it's going to open this window, and just going to wait a little bit until it opens. So after you open the application, you're going to see this window. You're going to see, hey Christian, welcome to Premiere Rush, and it says my name because after you log in with Creative Cloud, your information is going to be there. You can create your first video with this one-time guided tutorial. So let's click and start now, and here you're going to see all your different projects. It's sample media that you can use. You're going to see your desktop, and here's where you can name your project. So we're going to skip tour because that's pretty much what I'm going to show you. So just click this, skip tour and click end tutorial. So here's your hard drive, your downloads, your documents, external hard drive, movies, music, and pictures, and also cloud, Creative Cloud files, and iCloud Drive. So you also have sample media, and you have also Rush soundtrack. So it's some music that you can use for your project. So that's just a basic walkthrough. In the next one, we're going to go in-depth walkthrough. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.